Where's the machine?
Any day now, Mr. Harrison.
Any day now.
Yes, sir.
Any minute now. Right there. You'll see.
Harry, listen to me. No one's coming.
Do you have any idea where they left us?
I don't need any help.
Then why did you come to me, Karina?
I can't do this anymore. I can't. I won't.
David, if you can hear me, son, it's okay. You can come home anytime you want.
Do you have any idea where we're going?
Yeah, sure. I mean...
That is, there would be if I had any.
Look, don't tell Johnny.
Don't tell Johnny what?
Great.
It's a good place, isn't it?
Well, how do we start?
I'm good at talking people into things. It's what I do. Did. Look, you do this one thing for me, you'll never see any of us ever again, okay?
I won't remember any of this?
No.
Oh my God, I can't take this anymore.
You can't.
I can't take this.
No, I want to do Phoebe's thing.
I can't take any...
No, you don't have to do anything. Just don't tell them that we know.
No, I can't take any more secrets. I got your secrets, I got their secrets. I got secrets of my own, you know.
You don't have any secrets.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, you got any more?
Sure, man.
Really? Why don't you give us all you got?
I know you are. You don't have to tell me any of this.
So then why? Why? Tell me why.
I don't think I want to know you anymore.
What are you talking about?
Why, Mary Margaret, of course.
What's Mary Margaret got to do with this? What's Mary Margaret got to do with any of this? Regina, do you know something?
Well, then how come I don't have any say in this thing?
You do.
Why should Mr. Allen do anything for James? Or for any of us?
Oh, guys, does it get any better than this? Yeah, bro, I want to be down there.
He doesn't know any better! Boys! Why'd you do that?
I know you're doing what you believe in, and that's all any of us can do. That's all any of us should.
You leave her with me, and I'm not any of those things.
Okay, there's Isabella. Howard should be here any minute.
She should be here any minute.
You could get any girl.
There's only one I want.
Her name is Sandra Templeton.
Hello.
Champagne?
Can't have any of that.
Sorry.
Something doesn't feel right.
Now, if you don't get any, I don't get any. So get some.
All right, well, any way I can help, please call. I will.
I'll take it any way I can get it.
But if you don't love this, then we'll do it any other place, any other time.
I don't have any, and I'd like some.
Look, I
don't know how much you want to know about any of this.
Then they're not real.
They're as real as any of us.
Well, yes, but we're real people. They're just things.
We should help them. I don't think they need any help.
Good a time as any. Oh, I don't do any of those things. Not ever.
There's something going on with you.
You come to England.
No, I can't. I really would, but my son is here. I can't leave him. You don't think there's any way?
Oh, I don't think so.
Vincent! How are you doing this, Vincent? How have you done any of this?
Really? Tell me some. Thank you.
Anytime.
I'm really
really sorry you can't stay with me anymore.
Oh, no. I was never really gonna get to stay with you.